Hello, welcome to the if statement series. I am Oluwakem Balogun. Are you a human resource manager and you want to use the if statement to analyze your employee data sets? An if statement in the hand of a HR manager will do a lot. Take for example, you have this data set where you have the ID number, the surname, the other name, sex, the cadre. So if the company is giving the employee a car or not, you have the department, the grade, and the steps. And you want to categorize this grade based on maybe junior staff or senior staff or a management staff into three categories. And you want it in such a way that the junior staff would be any grade between 1 and 6. Then the senior staff will be between 7 and 9. Then anything above 9 should be a management staff. The if statement will be a very useful tool in your hand. How do you know the if statement is a conditional statement that requires three arguments, three syntax for you to make good use of it? So here we go. Equals to if. What are we trying? What's the logical test? That is, if the grade is less than or equal to 6, then that is a junior staff. J for junior. Then we are going to be nesting the if function because we're having more than one category. Then if the grade is less than or equal to 9, that is anything between 7 and 9, give it a senior staff. Then otherwise, then that means it is greater than 9. The fellow should be a management staff. So don't forget, we open two brackets. We are going to be closing our bracket twice. So here we go. So this is a 12 management staff. This is 8. That should be a senior staff. Okay. So let's say for prevention, this is 5. Then that should be a junior staff. Good. Then that means it is doing what we actually want it to do. Let me give you a wrap up. If, for example, you want to know how many management staff do you have, how many senior staff do you have, and how many junior staff do you have. So let's use our pivot table to just do some manipulations here. Okay, here we go. So now I'm going to be using the pivot table to do a simple manipulation here based on the cadre we just created, and I want to count each of the staff. There we go. We have the junior staff are the highest staff we have in the organization. We have the next to that is the senior staff and the management staff. Then for example, you want to filter based on the department. You want to know how many junior staffs are in those departments, how many senior staff are in those departments. So let's say for audits we have 5 junior staff, we have 1 management staff, and we have 2 senior staff. Let us make our view more okay. There we go. So at a glance, we have taken away we check out the grid lines. So this is it. You can actually filter based on whichever department you want to check how many stars you have there. There are a lot of things you can do here as the management staff. This is just a simple tip to what the if statement can help you do and how you can visualize your data set at a glance. So thank you once again for taking this session. For more elaborate explanation on using the if statement and using the pivot table, you can please check on our course. Thank you. See you in the next series. Bye.